My name is Ba Luong, and I've been working here since 1980. I operate the typage machine. I run the master machine now. It's one of the top machines. I'm one of the people who help to make your nature raised bed. My favorite is, when I finish it and I look at the bed and I'm happy with myself. And I know that the customer will be happy. People say I'm an easygoing person. They say I'm friendly to everyone. I think it's important to stay healthy and relaxed. My favorite food is salad. I love to eat salad. Sometimes I sing love song in my language. Message is very important. When you're working hard all day, you come home and you need a comfortable bed. So you refresh yourself for next day. Nature stress is very good for natural sleep. It's made from latex and wool. It's good for pressure relief and very relaxing.